Selamat makan.
Selamat makan.
Selamat makan.
We should open a restaurant, Indonesian restaurant in Vancouver.
If it's maybe $10, I'll get every day.
Halo teman-teman BNay, balik lagi di BNay channel. Sorry ya kali ini aku nggak bikin introduction video soalnya lagi kucel. So teman-teman, ini aku mau masak soto ayam Medan yang request banyak banget, yang nyaranin untuk bikin ini juga udah banyak banget. Dan akhirnya aku memberanikan diri untuk bikin soto ayam Medan. Seperti teman-teman lihat, bumbunya itu tadi ada di awalnya ya, banyak banget, tapi teman-teman bisa cek di cookpad. Nah ini aku dalam fase tumis menumis, lalu aku cemplungin deh bumbu cemplungannya. Di situ ada star anis, terus ada daun ada cepet banget videonya, aku sampai nggak bisa follow. Pokoknya teman-teman tuh kalau masalah resep langsung cek aja di cookpad, karena aku juga sebenarnya pasti selalu ngecek resep dari cookpad. Nah ini aku masukin ayamnya dulu sebelum aku kasih air dan sebagainya. Nah, nunggu ayamnya selesai, aku bikin perkedel kentang. Pertama kalinya banget bikin perkedel kentang. Semoga berhasil juga ya, karena memang dulu sih aku ingat banget pernah coba bikin tapi nggak berhasil. Ya jadi itu kan kalau resep aslinya tuh kentangnya harus digoreng ya teman-teman. Nah cuman aku karena nggak mau terlalu beroily, jadinya aku rebus. Well voila, langsung kita skip. Nah ini aku bikin proses, ya ini juga udah dimasukin air dan santannya. Nah tadi pas aku coba itu santannya masih belum kerasa, jadinya tambah lagi. Well, nah oke, balik lagi ke si kentang. Ini sana sini banget videonya. Ya ini aku kasih tumisan dari bawang merah, bawang putih, terus aku campur di kentangnya biar lebih kerasa gitu rasanya ya. Nah udah habis itu aku campur, aku penyet-penyet terus supaya bisa dibentuk. Dan sekarang waktunya penyajian. Maaf loh, jadi itu kayaknya sana sini banget videonya. Nah sekarang itu waktu disajikan nasi pastinya. Jadi kalau untuk soto yang kali ini aku pakai nasi, maybe next time bikin yang pakai. Nah ini ini perkedel kentangnya teman-teman, gak ada bentuknya tapi enak. Tapi rasanya enak ya. Jadi ada tomat juga, ada cilantro, ada telur ayam. Ini aku kasih setengah doang. Terus ada lime juga. Ini rebusannya ada sayur kol sama sprout kecambah. Ya udah tinggal disajikan aja. Tuh kalau aku nih ya pribadi ngeliat ini sambil bikin voice over tuh sambil ngiler teman-teman, ya ampun. Lihat deh segernya aja udah kelihatan banget ya dari warna tomatnya. Perkedelnya jangan salah ya teman-teman, warnanya emang agak gosong tapi rasanya dong ya, rasanya. Jadi paling ini bahaya banget itu jangan sampai kelupaan kan ya, karena aku sering karena banyak banget makanan Indonesia itu tipikal ada perintelannya banyak banget, kadang suka kelupaan. Cuman kali ini aku kayaknya nggak ada lupa sama sekali, jadi semuanya tercakup. Nah itu ada sambelnya, terus ya pakai emping, terus sama jenis kerupuk yang lain karena aku suka banget tuh yang ada warna-warninya. Dan voila, siap untuk disajikan untuk teman-teman aku. Semoga mereka suka.
Ready? And
I am ready.
I see something really good.
Oh my god.
Oh,
Oh.
yeah. Soupy, soupy.
It's yellow.
Hello.
yellow.
Hmm.
And there we go, gentlemen.
Thank you.
For you.
Wow, this looks
Looks nice.
Oh,
gold.
yeah.
Very colorful. Like the
Yeah.
yellow soup, red tomato.
That's the chili paste.
Oh.
Ta-da, ta-da!
From Masaki?
Wow.
Yeah, I'll eat all.
It took me only 6 hours to be in the kitchen, don't worry.
Thank you very much.
Alright, right. Yes, I hope it's good.
Terima kasih.
Oh, sama-sama Mas Aki. He wins my heart. This is the only one speaking
Whatever.
Indonesian.
Masaki, you eat mine, I'm leaving now.
Bye.
I thought it was special. Hello.
Teman-teman. Welcome to BNay channel. Yes. And ta-da! This is our meal of the day, the main course.
It looks so good.
I know. I see
It's
you
a lot.
guys
It's a
also.
huge portion as well.
Yeah.
This is the meal. It's like perfect for today because it's raining out there. It's not anymore, but it's cold.
It is.
Yeah,
We're
so
supposed to be already like kind of the middle of the spring, and it's very cold still.
it is. Yeah. Meal come from my parents' place.
Did they ship them?
Yeah. Yes, they ship the knowledge to If you can find Medan, there we
Yeah.
go. It's North Sumatra. This is Sumatra Island, and this is coming from here. Yes.
Kota Medan.
Kota Medan.
Okay.
The meal, the name is Soto
Soto.
Ayam
Ayam.
Medan.
Ayam.
Soto
Medan.
Ayam Medan.
Canada.
So soto is
Soto is kind of soup
okay,
in Indonesian, but we get all variety under how we prepare it.
and chicken is
Ayam.
okay.
Ayam chicken. Ayam.
Ayam pato.
Yeah, ini ayam pato.
Ayam pat.
This is pato's chicken.
You guys enjoy it?
Yeah.
Good.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes,
A
put
lot.
the lime.
Okay.
This is how you eat it.
Let's start.
Each of you get a lime, and then you
Where's my line?
praise the. Oh, you should have it
Oh,
right
there.
there. I
Okay.
take the small one. Alex, just mix this first. It's gonna be spicy. Alex loves spicy, anyways. Yeah, so you press the lime and then you mix it with your milk. And then if you like spicy, you can put the spicy on it.
Selamat makan.
Selamat makan. Oh, Mas Saki, you're so good with Indonesian.
Selamat makan.
I never made this one before in my life,
It's very good.
but
Oh.
since I'm doing cooking Indonesian YouTube, so I have to force myself to do that. How's the chili? Is it good?
Good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Very nice.
You like it?
Yeah.
Oh.
It's green curry, similar.
Chili is curcuma. It's a root. It's like a ginger, but ginger has no color. This one has color. Yeah. Yeah, with the spicy tomato.
Yes, you're right.
Spicy there?
Very nice.
I have already.
Oh, you had it, and it's spicy.
Yeah, it's spicy. Masa, you wanna try?
Small.
Just small.
Put like a little bit on your spoon, like with something.
Must you really want to see Masa eat it? Like, Oh, it's pretty good.
Oh my God, Masa, get ready.
Okay, you ready?
I think it's fine.
You haven't tried it.
And Masa's like, I think it's fine.
It's already so positive about it.
Oh.
I told you.
You can do it. You can do it. It's okay.
Surprise.
Oh, this is really good.
Well,
It is.
And with the weather like this,
spicy is nice.
Yeah?
Good. Very
Yeah,
good.
right?
It's really perfect for the weather. Whenever it's like rainy outside and cold, I like something like soupy and spicy. And there is so much stuff in the soup. It's amazing.
Healthy stuff only.
I love this.
yep.
I love them.
Very good. Chicken is so good.
Aww.
Potato.
Yeah. Oh, but the spicy is so good.
Yeah.
But it's spicy.
I miss so much your food.
Aww. Yeah, but
I felt the same way.
He told me this more today.
I smelled it like the whole day when she was cooking. I was like, oh my god, I'm getting
Torture.
so hungry. It smells so good.
Very nice.
So this is like deep fried potatoes? or
Kind of,
something?
yeah. So like I kind of boil it and then I mush it. I mix with like a onion and garlic, and then like I make a form and then put in the egg and then I fried it.
Okay, in my Instagram, and a lot of them are just like showing me some pictures. So like, have you tried this? Have you tried that? I was like, I'm gonna tell Nancy. She has to cook this.
I know.
You should open a restaurant, Indonesian restaurant in Vancouver.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's really good.
Aww. Mas like really enjoying it.
Yeah.
It feels
I'm
like
just focused eating. Sorry.
I'm a really big fan of like soups like this. Like I love ramen a lot as well. But like this is next level. Like this is really, really good.
Wow.
So good.
Oh my god.
This was delicious.
Oh my god.
Very good.
No words for this one.
Just OMG.
OMG.
Yeah.
What I love is the soup. I can have more of the soup. Just like the soup.
Yeah. Soup and chili.
Chili.
Yeah.
How do you say thank you in?
Torimakasih.
Terima kasih.
Mas like it's so good.
Oh, I loved it. As I said before, I really missed Indonesian food, and do that today was a rainy day and cold. This was like perfect for the situation. I really love the combination. She like all the ingredients that she combines every time. That made it so fresh. The tomato, these nuggets with potato that made it crispy, and then the soup, the warm soup that warmed my heart. It was like really good. All wrapped up together, it made it a perfect dish. So I will give it a 8.5.
8.5. Okay, nice. Oh my god, what should I say? It was so good. I love the curcuma inside. Gives a very good taste. I love that it's yellow. It's very colorful, yellow curcuma, red tomato, the green cilantro, and the lime. Like I said, I love soups a lot, like ramen and things like this. This one is next level, definitely. A lot more stuff in there. I love the potato. It was very tasty. And overall, like a really full, like a filling meal. And you don't feel hungry at all after this. It was very delicious. I give this 10 out of 10 points because it's so good.
The main thing that I liked, it was the potatoes. I really like the potatoes. I like whenever it's like they're flavory. I'm like, I'm sorry, and it has like this texture that I like. The rest of it was delicious. And the lime, it was really, really good. Yeah, the lime was really good.
It's the only thing I didn't cook and just bought.
Yeah, but the lime is good. Amazing. Combined. Perfect. I didn't add a lot of spiciness because I really wanted to enjoy it like it is, like all the flavors. And it was very colorful. So that's I really, really like. I would go again for 9 over 10.
Nice.
Yeah, that was really good.
all the chili.
Oh my god, really?
Yeah, it was really good. And I didn't talk much because I was really into this recipe. Yeah, I didn't care other guys. Sorry. That was really good. I like this taste. It's similar green curry, and it's my favorite taste. And it's also like I feel maybe more Indonesian cuisine food.
Right. So you have the Indonesian experience.
Yeah. It was really good. Yeah. And obviously 10. I would pay maybe $15 Canadian dollars, but if it's maybe $10, I'll get every day. Please discount.
You also tried the chili, right? How did you like the chili?
Yeah, it was also good. Don't put too much.
Bisa.
Terima kasih.
Oh, that's so yeah, wow, awesome. Oh my god, can we just show to the camera like all of our
I
plates?
put like my napkin here, but
Yeah,
yeah, it's empty.
that's empty, guys. Yeah, so I am really happy teman-teman karena aku juga bilang sama teman-temanku ini kalau ini pertama kalinya aku bikin soto ayam Medan dan ternyata sukses. Woo!
Yay!
Ya, lagi seneng banget. Terus Parto, Alex, kalian juga bisa lihat di video kan dimana mereka cuma makan menikmati apa ya, keren banget. So yes, I want to thank you guys, and it's always a wonderful feeling for me like cooking something from my home country, and then let you guys trying it, and then seeing your reaction, and then seeing how you eat and you enjoy the meal. It's just like it's a good feeling. Yeah, and thank you for again coming, and I hope you're still looking forward for another meal to come and to try. Alright, thank you guys for watching, and then
Don't forget to like the video and subscribe and put to the comments below.
Exactly.
Link, link,
link, link.
Tididididing.
See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.